Hello everybody, I'm back on this beautiful van, and this time these went, both of them. So gotta remove, there's a screw here, one here. This you lift up, and then you start popping from the side. I'll show you what I did on that door. So this is still here. I did not disconnect the wires. So you see how this one, it broke. So I used where is it? This. And then, okay, I did not take this off, but in order not to bend this, you gotta take this off. Otherwise you gotta bend this a little bit. In order for you to take out the screw from here, the nut. That's the new one. So at the bottom, what I did before, you see this here? This goes in here. So I took that before from inside with a flat screwdriver to here. You push it out, and then you unscrew these screws with where is it? It's here somewhere. Okay, put it. I gotta look for it. Give me a sec. Okay. So you use one of these. It's a T80. Yeah, my help has arrived. And here, these are 10. And the new one, it didn't come with it. I wish it did, because the old one broke. So you use this through here, and this goes through here for the top one, which is like this, the bottom and the top. So now I want to install this from the front and push it in. Let's see how that goes. It's back in. So after you wiggle it a little bit, it goes in, and then you screw it from the bottom, and then from the top it's kind of hard to screw the new one back in. Or if you want, like I did, I didn't want to screw the top, and look. You see? So the only one I screw back in is the bottom. The top, I didn't bother. And unless if you want to, it's gonna take more time, and then you hammer this back. Okay, that's it. Okay, these are the new ones. There's the model number. So this is for the right one. And then the left one is done. Just have to put this back. You see the new ones, they didn't come with the screws, but you can use the old ones with these nuts, the old ones. This one broke, as you can see. And like I said, I didn't put it on the top, and it works fine. To mention, for these two, you need the same one, the 80 that goes here. And then it's better if you use one of these, especially here. These were really tight. They're very tight. Here I didn't have to, but maybe you have to on yours. The second door, I'll show you something else. What I did, I made a hole. I drilled a hole here so I can put the top screw back on. And you don't have to take this off. But if you drop something in, like I did, you're gonna have to take it off. So you can change this without taking this plastic off. You see? That's it. I mean, GM, they could have made a nice hole here, but no, like this one, you see? Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching.